When trying to find a solution to your electrical connection problems, you may find yourself asking, should I just hire an electrician to change my wiring? What about adapters? Will they last just as long as a permanent solution? It is totally up to you. Adapters are a great solution. Our AC Works brand adapters are quick and easy to install, heavy duty, and can save you money and time in the long run. There are also various options too. You can pick compact adapters or flexible adapters and still be able to adapt nearly any configuration you need to. Our adapters are built to last. You can drop them, leave them outside, or hit them with a baseball bat. They will still work. Adapters are also great for use with generators. Generators can be helpful with lots of different things like power tools or even powering your home during an emergency. Not every generator will have the right connections to do so. Rewiring a different connection can be difficult and can even void the warranty. Adapters are a good workaround to nearly any situation you may come across with your generator. It's also a cheaper solution compared to buying an entirely new generator to fit your specific connections. Depending on the scenario and the space you are working with, an electrician might be the better route. If an outlet you are trying to use is installed upside down, which happens a lot more than you realize, then the adapter might not fit. Another problem may arise if you are trying to conserve as much space as possible in between an appliance and a wall or other appliance. Corroding or melting outlets can also be something troublesome. That is something an adapter cannot fix, and an electrician should look at right away. The downside to all of this is that you are at the mercy of the electrician's schedule and pricing. Whichever route you decide to take, we can help you, whether that be providing you with a power solution in the form of an adapter or by a free consultation. We'll keep you connected. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Shoot us an email if there's a topic you'd like to see us cover. Thank you for watching.